that's a long switchback grind, which means I can just put the gouge on the side and pull like this, and it cuts almost like a skew. And I just need to make one little knob. We're going to turn our attention to making a hole. Now, I gotta be at school. Okay. Sunday school, I'm guessing then. Because that's the only school I know that's going to be here on Sunday. Nice and easy way to move materials in a tight spot. Getting just getting shaving to my face all the time. So that tool is done.